In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L380 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed here at the button search bar, type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match should appear in this window. Once it's here, click on Open to continue. Okay, so in a few moments, you would be navigated to the Google Chrome browser itself. All you need to do is you need to expand the window. And from here, you need to proceed to the search bar that is being placed at the center and type for Epson space L380 space driver. Once done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be navigated to the result. So please proceed to the first result, which is enterepson.com. Click on it, and eventually you would be navigated to the page where you can see the printer driver, which is Epson L380. So scroll down, click on downloads to refresh the page, and wait until you can get an option where you can select your operating system manually. Once here, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11 and click on Go. And wait until it would be refreshed again and click on Downloads. And kindly wait until you can get a printer driver option where you can download it. Okay, so once here, please proceed to drivers, click on it, and choose for download. Click on it once again, aligning to it. And if it will ask you to agree on the license agreement, click on accept. And in that way, you would be able to start on the downloading process. So the speed might be depend on the network or the Wi-Fi connection that you are connecting to. You just have to wait until it would be successfully downloaded. Once done, please copy and move it to the desktop. Okay, and you need to extract the file. So double tap to it to extract or unzip the file, or you can simply make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So kindly wait until the WinRAR tool would be available here. Once available, click on extract to L380. So wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. So once here, this is the time that we will now start the installation. So by that, navigate here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Okay, so you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the options. Locate with Bluetooth and devices. Here at the Bluetooth and devices, please choose for the printers and scanners. And eventually you can see an option like this. Click on add device and wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once here, click on it and please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Click on next. Go with have disk and click on browse. And since stop, then we need to navigate there. Click on it. Scroll down. Please choose the extracted file. Double tap. Just double tap until you can see a printer driver. So select any of this. Anyway, this three functions similarly, so no worries for that. Once it's here, please click on next and go with next, and it will now start on the installation. So kindly wait until this would be finished. Once done, please click on next and go with finish. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L380 printers driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.